Hi managers, now that your reports have entered their goals into ADP, I'm going to show you how to link their goals to the review cycle in ADP and add their weightings. Only you can do this as a manager, but it's quite simple and I'm going to walk you through it. First, when you log into ADP, you're going to want to go to My Team and then Performance Goals under Talent. Here you will see all of your reports who have uploaded their goals into ADP. Starting with Emily, to the right of her name, I'm going to click the arrow and go to Review and Weightings. Next to Attach Goals, I'm going to click on the drop-down where I'm going to view all of Emily's goals. After taking a look, they look good to me. I'm going to go ahead and attach them. The next step is to add their weightings. Now, this is optional at this phase. You can always come back and do this. So if you need more time, you can go ahead and press save here. But I have Emily's goal form ready to review, and so I'm going to go ahead and add her weightings in. One thing to note is that these need to add up to 100%. Once her weightings are in, I'm going to go ahead, click save, hit the back button, and then repeat for any more reports. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.